You got to see how small these little tiny mushrooms are right here by my finger.
Okay.
Now come over here and look at the screen.
Okay.
This is incredible.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Look at all these guys. We got this little focus. I'm gonna do the focus with my finger over here. And look at that. Hey everybody, it's Nathan. Today I was gonna go over with you this children's digital microscope. It's really cool, it's portable, you can take it with you. The seller sent us one of these for a review, so let's get started.
We absolutely loved this microscope. It was so much fun. It was shocking to see things behind the camera there. So it does photo and video, which is great. And it has an SD card with it. It also has an LED light and you can kind of adjust the focus and things like that. So there's a lot of great features, but all in all, it really works well. As you can see here, you can really get in there and see the photos, and it's just the neatest thing to see it in person. We had so much fun with it. We highly recommend this. This is a great gift.